Today, we're going to be doing the performance mod of brakes. We're going to be doing the StopTech Big Brake Kit that has honestly been needed for this car. The current rotors are completely warped and they just look completely ugly. The StopTechs are going to look beautiful in here. They're nice and red, and they're, of course, a part of the Forza build. So, with that said, I thought a great way to test out the current stock brakes in comparison to what we're going to put on is play a little game of car braking Jenga. I'm going to go cruise at a steady pace of like 50 miles an hour, slam on the brakes, and hopefully I can stop in front of the Jenga set and don't destroy it, but we'll see. They're stock brakes, they're not that good in the 350. No guarantee that these are going to survive. We're going to start her up. I know I got harnesses, but the stock seatbelt should save me for this kind of test. And if it doesn't, well then that'll be a bit of a problem. Okay, let's bring her around to a nice speed of 55 miles an hour. It's getting there. I don't think we got that, boys. Oh no, I heard like a shatter. I don't think we got that at all. Oh no. Oh no, that did not work in our favor whatsoever. Okay, bumper all good. Bumper is all good. All right, so we don't have to worry about that, but yeah. All right, we're gonna have to clean that up now. Sorry everyone. Today's mission, let's improve these and the rears too, and let's redo this test at the end of the video. Cam's looking for the button to open the rear hatch. I'll give you a hint. It doesn't exist. What? In there. No way. It's back here. Yeah. You have to press it again. What? There we go. So yeah. So I'm labeled right there. Some good red bananas. It's gonna fill that up really nicely. Let's just ignore all of that. Raised it up a lot more than I would have thought.
It's pretty nice for a garage.
Yeah. We replaced this with that. Look at that. Freaking tiny little plate. So now in our way is the dust shield behind, how it creases over. It's just simply not gonna fit the new one, considering that the new one is so much bigger. So I guess time to get rid of it. Car underside check. Okay, so we still have a completely blown axle boot. That needs to get fixed because that's a poopy, icky mess under there. And then right there is our differential, which should be a limited slip differential because this is an enthusiast model and it didn't come with the open diffs. However, the dude who previously owned it replaced it with an open diff. So this car is currently on an open diff. Basically what that means in the conventional world is that if I were to do burnouts, it's just gonna spin one wheel. And handling is just really bad. So we gotta get that replaced in the future as well. Get an LSD back on here. Or, you know, if we're gonna drift it, just weld the open diff. We gotta do something about that and that. Those are gonna be future tasks. Yo, anyone wanna play Frisbee? I'm trying to show you guys. This is the rear. And that's the front. They're literally the same size. If you know anything about brake calipers, you'll know that the rear is always way smaller than the front. It's like that on my R8, RS, etc. But the fact that these are literally the same, this is like the biggest rear caliper I've ever come across. It's pissing all over your floor.
I know.
So what does the brake fluid do in the functionality of brakes?
So brake fluid, brake fluid doesn't compress.
Mm-hmm.
It pushes, so See how you have one piston here?
Yeah.
When you push your pedal, it pushes the fluid in here and pushes the piston
Oh.
out. So now with your new brakes, you got 4 pistons. So you have 2 on this side and 2 on this side.
Yeah.
So it all fills up, and when you push the brakes, it does the same thing.
So I guess the whole pressure of braking is literally like kind of relying on a fluid.
Yeah.
Wow, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so it's like hydraulic fluid. So
Yeah.
it's not able to compress because even when it gets hot and stuff.
Huh.
Stainless steel lines should help too with
Oh yeah,
if you're
no,
on
for
the
sure.
track or something. Don't
Yeah.
fade as quick.
Well, that's cool.
Yeah.
Learn something new every day. You should go check out the rears, because you know how the rears are always smaller?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, those are big boys. Nicely done, Mr. Sir.
Yeah.
Dude. Okay,
Yeah,
that's
look-
gonna look so good with the wheels with the red little
That's true, yeah.
spokes. That's just gonna all just blend in so well. What we're gonna do with these, we're gonna shoot these up.
Yeah, no, you just shoot these off, get a musket, and then you just pow right in there. Oh, there it is. Oh, baby. Holy cow, you like can't ignore that if you tried. Dude, that's like my favorite shot right there. See a little red bananas sticking out.
That's nice.
That's so sick. Guess we gotta go on a test drive, test out our stopping power. Did she scream? Yeah, they screamed. Oh no. Woo! I'm building this tower this time in hopes that it will remain. Right, we have returned to the infamous Jenga blocks brake test spot, and this time we have our Stop Tech BBK fully installed on the car, ready to go and ready to power through, ready to push hard. Let us continue with the after. Alright, let's get her up to speed. I'm so confident in these brakes, I'm gonna give it more speed I gave it before. Oh, we're flying now. Oh, holy crap.
Oh no, it didn't work.
I kid you not, you could almost tell in the GoPro footage that I was literally going a lot quicker than I did on my first run earlier today. And it still stopped in time. Same stopping point, same exact distance, more speed, and it still didn't knock over the thing, even though Tim knocked it over with his stupid little hands over there. Brakes don't lie. I call that a great success.
Great success.
Yes. I can't even talk right now. This is insane. Poor S2000 doesn't know what freaking loud cars are surrounding it. These freaking V8s, man. These V8s are so loud and raspy. 350Z, S2000. S2000 on BBSs. Black jacket, black, 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 black. Camo. Yo, I got a question. Are you wearing black? Yo! Blackout Wednesday! Good. Now I want you to chop off my legs. I want you to run over my little toes. We're going all the way.
20 more yards.
And stop.
Okay, we can
Now don't get my pants dirty now. Bro, you're the only right-hand drive car here and your parking's a little whack. Like, you have the easiest job. You have the steering wheel right there.
I wasn't in control.
Bro, what the hell?
Hey, what's the password? Tell me the password.
Is the password just literally jump over the
I was
fence
gonna say
and
it's
just
either-
sneak your way in?
It's either give me the password or climb up.
Climb the border?
Oh, the property owner's here.
Oh, the property owner's here.
I live here.
Oh, time to go for a nice swim.
The guy who owns it is here. Get out. Get out.
Sorry, Tim.
Hey, we're going in.
All right, yeah, let's go through there.
Is it open?
Yeah, it is.
I want to case this joint.
Someone's there. Yeah, someone just opened that.
Oh, hey, how are you guys?
Well, that's one way to meet your neighbor. Yeah.
The owner of the property just found out that we were
And that was the first floor.
that was a little awkward.
Wait, did you open the door? Who opened the door?
I was like, there's a dog. He just goes.
We opened the wrong place.
I'm so happy that he wasn't carrying.
Dude, this is the night where we're wearing all black.
Yeah.
Is that functional?
Dude, you've got to extend it. Yeah, you can fit it here.
Whoa! That is the most Asian thing I've ever seen. Meanwhile, Mike's still trying to figure out how to freaking recline the couch.
I'm passing all the buttons.
Yeah, it's because Mike's sitting on it. It just doesn't want to recline. It just doesn't like Mike.
Tim's chairs are racist.
I'm gonna do it to the other side. Watch.
No, you're not.
Oh.
It's gonna go all the way across.
No, it's not, bro. No, it's not.
100%, I 100% know that this next car, I'm either gonna hit or it's gonna go all the way across.
There's literally no way it's going all the way across.
Catch it.
Alright, see if you can get it all the way
I'm gonna
across.
get it. Here we go.
I'm gonna Happy Gilmore this.
Yeah, bitch. Come on. You got you.
It got across.
Shocked.
It got across. Alright, now we gotta go get it. No littering.
Okay.
Bye. Wait, so it really does hate Mike.
It just doesn't.
Plugged it in, dipshit. No, it's because you're sitting on it.
It's because you're sitting on it.
We literally plugged it in. We grabbed the cords on the back of it and plugged it in.
Nah, I think it just hates you, dog.
It's a racist.
You want to prove
only
it?
Mike.
Racist couch. Only if you have white jeans in you. Yo, Tim, did you see Brandon's got McLaren headlight tint?
Yo, that's kind of tight, actually.
Yo, it looks like that slapped right onto a freaking 650S or something. But nah,
Sponsored.
it's for the Impreza.
That.
The Impreza, baby. The race car.
Tim, try and figure out how.
Yeah, try and figure out how it actually goes on the head. No.
I'm such a dumbo. Hang on, I didn't get enough sleep to figure this out. You're on the right side of the car. What the heck?
Yeah, it's like it's for the rears the whole time.
No,
No.
it's not the right shape. This is for a McLaren.
Okay, you're so close. Go back to what you were doing.
What, like that?
Yeah. And
That doesn't.
so it's not supposed to cover this part. It's literally for this outer part.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, I
But it
can see
isn't-
that. That looks kind of
Yeah.
sick. Yo, 370Z taillight.
Yeah, Nike.
Yo, Nike swoosh. Frickin' Doofenshmirtz Evil Incorporated.